To schedule an appointment for an assessment, you'll want to select this option. Click here on Book Marketing Mentor, and then you'll see a calendar. Pick the date and the time that works for you. Then fill in your name, with your phone number, like I'm doing here, and your email so we can contact you. The next step is to click on Pay Now. Oh, and I forgot, if you're not on our mailing list, you might want to select joining it. So when you click Pay Now, it will ask you for your credit card information, which we will not see. This goes through a processor, and then you click Pay and Confirm. If you need to change anything after you set the appointment, you'll be able to do that.